Okay, now this probably falls under set etiquette. I don't care if you've been in the business for 50 years. Every time you're on the set, you're a guest on the set. I always had to keep in mind, I'm a guest here. I've been invited. It is not my set. I want you to treat that set just like you would if you're going over to a new person you just met house. You're going to be polite. You're going to ask directions. You're not going to make any snap judgments on people. Just like if you're in someone else's house, you don't yell across the room. You don't just assume because somebody is on set that you are on an equal level with them. They may live there. You do not. You are going to be there as a guest and show yourself off accordingly. Stay on your feet. Let your gaffer sit. Let your key grip sit. Let the other electrician sit. You stay on your feet and be ready because your ears are open and you're going to hear the request come from set. You're going to be the first one to grab it and get it on set yourself. If your gaffer hears that he has to do something or there's adjustment made, he's sitting down, he looks at you, you get that eye contact with him, and you are in his book. And that is the quickest way to get invited back. Be good.